Alright, today we are at the detail garage. They're having a little car meet. Let's go check it out. It's a quick stop at Chemical Guys, little car meet. They are having another one later this evening, but I'm gonna be too busy. This one's near our house, so we'll be here more often. This one got everything. The propane tank, shovel, canisters. Got a window, awning, pop up. Oh, look at this. Toyota. Convertible 4Runner?
Brown.
Brown what? Yeah. This one's the one. No, this 270. 270 canopy. Fully covered the entire back and side. It's nice. Oh, look at this Jeep. Huh? This your favorite one? Yeah. Solar panels too. Magnetic fridge slides out. Storage space, kitchen. All right, time for a snack. Heading inside.
Lucky guy.
Lucky guy.
Compressor here.
Yeah, oh look, they got Hot Wheels. They got Hot Wheels. I got my car. Do they have a mini truck?
They do actually. They do have the Matchbox. They came out with a cake. Oh, they can't touch it.
What's the Subaru then?
Oh, it's not an Acty. Close. It's not a mini truck.
It's still mini truck.
Mini truck.
You want it?
No, I want an Acty. Here, what did you get? What did you get?
Panda.
They're towing a motorcycle. Oh, never seen that.
Now go and actually pick up their rear end. You probably could. Pick it up and turn it around.
That apparently was enough of a workout for her.
That was cool.
I saw these in India actually. When I was
Oh yeah? Yeah, they're everywhere internationally. Yeah, I like that one. Patsuki. Alright, we heading out. Rafi is gonna drive for us.
Hey, give me direction. I don't know where to go.
Alright, let's see
We
where
can
we
follow
go.
them.
Going to a fancy restaurant. Hit up Olive Garden.
Can you not scare it up?
I'm not scared.
Alright, I am so full.
Jordan, get out there, go
We got our to-go box because we got all our cars here. Alright guys, we are gonna install the new plate frame that we won from Rigs and Churros. Well, we have it set up right now. We only have one screw on this and we got zip ties on here. I do have the JDM to USD bracket and hopefully it'll work with this setup. It's gonna look something like that. Let's put it on. Alright, so I did get this a while ago, I just never installed it. So the license plates can be held properly. Which we got two for the front and back. And here's the bolts. And first we're gonna take this off. Alright, so with this, basically we just screw it on, and then we got these two studs that'll fit for the USD plates. So this is the one we want at Rigs and Churros car meet. I'm gonna use this. Let's see if I can put this around. Alright, let's just put this in the front. Alright, now the plates are looking straight in the back. Now we're gonna do the ones in the front. And hopefully we get a touchdown with it. Alright, so this one was the same thing. A bolt here and zip ties. Plate over. Is it upside down? No. Let's see if we can make it fit. Guess we could do that. Let's use this. Nice. All right, guys, there you go.